What up, 300 gang? What's up? What's up? What's up? Talked to y'all in a long time. Haven't posted, I know. Been busy over the holidays, but I'm back. Hopefully I can be constant or more content comes my way. But I'm here now at the local, mechanic shop where they're gonna do my exhaust today. So it is roughly almost 9 o'clock in the morning, 20 degrees outside. It's freezing. It's cold in Baltimore, Maryland. It's cold. But yeah, hopefully I can give you a before and after, because I don't think they let nobody in the shop to record. So I can give you a before and after. I'm getting a muffler and resonator delete because my pipe is already busted. And I'm gonna show y'all that in the video. I think I got another video to add to this one to show it, but if not, I'm gonna show it in the video what's going on, and then see what the aftermath is, see how it comes out, and then we can go from there. So stay tuned. I'm about to pull it in the few, and I'll cut the camera back on once everything gets settled. See ya. I'm at my little local shop. They about to do it. So, yeah, it's too cold to be cleaning a car. It's like 20 degrees outside. Yeah, she's dirty. Where's it at? Yeah, see y'all.
You with your money.
It burst on me.
Papa.
Hubcaps. I love Chrysler, but the hubcaps gotta go. As you see, I split it right there. It's already split, but I'm going to get that deleted, and then them two mufflers back there deleted. Finished. About to get a cold start. Yep. About to get the first cold start. Once we're done, I'll automatic start it.